So hi everyone, today we're talking all about hair. We all know how difficult it is to get your hair to grow out long, beautiful, and gorgeous, but today we've got the essential oils that will help you do just that.
And to start off your hair journey, we want to make sure that you start off with a healthy scalp. And that means washing your hair according to your hair type. So you might have to wash it every day, every other day, maybe 3 times a week. That really depends on the hair type that you have. And to find out what your hair type is, you can ask your hairdresser if you have one, or you can just search on the internet. You'll definitely find your answer there as well. This is just to ensure that you start off on the right track.
If you are noticing thinning hair and you are wanting thicker, longer, more gorgeous hair, then rosemary essential oil is a great choice for you. Rosemary has the ability to help with cell generation, and its anti-inflammatory properties will help improve your scalp's circulation.
According to a 2011 neuroscience research study, the carnosic acid was found in rosemary was found to actually help heal tissue and nerve damage. So this means that rosemary has the potential to restore the health of your scalp and restore hair growth as well.
Yes. Next we have cedarwood. So if you've noticed that your hair is beginning to fall out and you're noticing dandruff, then this is a great choice for you. So the properties in cedarwood are antifungal and antimicrobial, which means it will help treat the underlying conditions that are potentially causing your hair loss and dandruff situation.
And cedarwood is a balancing oil, so it will actually help balance the oil of your scalp, which ultimately leads to hair growth. Next, if you have a normal to dry scalp, I highly suggest using lavender essential oil.
So lavender is very moisturizing. It contains properties that help generate growth of cells. It also leads to your hair growing faster and longer. Also, the antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of lavender essential oil are going to help with the overall health and wellness of your scalp.
And a personal favorite of mine to help with hair growth would be peppermint essential oil. So peppermint essential oil is great if you have oily scalp. So what it does, it has a drying effect as well. So if you have oily hair, it's going to take out that extra oil that you might be producing. And peppermint is known to help circulation, so it'll help get that blood flowing in your head to produce more hair and that extra beautiful hair growth that you want. And it has an awesome cooling effect.
So there are a few different ways to incorporate oils into your hair care regimen. You can create a hair oil using a carrier base, and then you're going to add a few drops of the essential oil that is best suited for your hair type. And this will be a hot oil treatment, or you can just use it as an everyday moisture treatment for your hair.
Yes. And you can also add the essential oils into some of your favorite products that you're already using. So you can add them to your shampoo, your conditioner, if you use a leave-in conditioner, or even your favorite hair care mask.
There are so many ways to get these oils into your hair. Just get them into your hair. I highly recommend going the DIY route, as well as adding a few drops into your shampoo and conditioner. You'll get the benefits without having to worry about it every day. Also, remember that this may take longer for some people than others, and results may vary.
Yes. Well, we appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.